pencil.
So does the pencil fit in your pocket? Is your pocket big or the pencil small?
Man, it was on the table.
Okay.
But why? Why do I always get this?
Yes, Kyra.
मैम
Yes.
वहाँ पर ठंड है क्या?
कहाँ पर? मैं तो अपने घर पे ही हूँ।
तो आपने जैकेट क्यों पहनी हुई है? जैकेट या फिर कोई है?
क्योंकि मेरा एसी चालू है और मुझे ठंड लग रही है। Yes, Devi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
why is Sonal ma'am and music sir at school?
Sonal ma'am is at school. I don't know. No idea.
No, Sonal teacher.
Oh, the dance teacher. Because then where? How they will teach? No, they have to go to school and teach. So they have a bigger area. In their house, they might not have a bigger area.
And there's also lots of disturbance.
Yes. And
Okay,
even the music, sir, he has lot of instruments in the school. In the house, they don't have so many instruments. How they will teach you? That
I
is
know.
why.
But I have an incident.
Maybe one day I want to borrow your guitar.
It's big.
Still, I want to borrow. I will take pictures with it.
Man, I can't give you this. This is my sister's. And she's
Okay.
very grumpy when I take her guitar.
Then why did you take it?
It was just there and she's sitting in my classroom. And I also have another one, but it's broken. My piano.
Wow.
Okay. It's broken. It doesn't have battery.
मैम
Oh, that is so cute. Good
See, now
morning.
look, I'm putting this on, and now it won't only make any noise.
Oh,
It's broken. It needs batteries.
okay. Yes, Veer Patel.
Now let me just get.
Okay, yes, Ridan.
मैम I have a real guitar.
Oh, wow.
I have a real dog too. And EVS fake dog.
Yes, Veer Patel.
What did you
Ma'am,
say?
this is the last class.
Yes, it's the last class. What happened, Veer Mundra?
Man, we want to tell in this class, Mera Parivar.
Mera Parivar. Yes, yes. After this, yeah, I'm going to take. Yes, Janvi.
अब हमको क्या करना है?
बताऊंगी मैं. Yes, Nivi.
Then what did this Ridan just say to me?
Ridan said that he has a real guitar and you have a fake guitar.
Well, that's
I
not
have
my
a real dog.
Ridan. You should tell my sister.
That is the
Okay,
golden
fine.
retriever.
Okay, fine. Stop fighting.
And you should actually start.
Okay, I will give you time to fight. Don't worry. By the end of the class. Okay, fine. I think most of us are here. What should we do? We should wait for other children to join, or should we start the class? Okay, Dev has joined.
Start the class.
Start.
Morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Huh?
I want to fight with Arav.
You want to fight with Arav? Wait. I will give you time. By the end of the class, I will give you all a chance. Okay, everybody fight with each other. Yes, Rajveer.
My dada bought for me crackers.
Wow, very nice. Okay, so we'll quickly have a revision of air around us. So, does air, now you will show me thumbs down or thumbs up. That will be the answer. Okay, nobody's going to turn on the microphone. Either you will put your thumbs down or thumbs up. Okay, so does air have color? Yes or no? Does air have color? No. Yes, very good. So, can we smell air? Can we smell air? Yes, we can smell
Yes.
air. Okay, Janvi, don't turn on the microphone, please. I said you have to answer either like this or like this. Don't roam around in your house when I'm giving instructions. Okay. So, you can smell air because anything around you, if it is dirty or clean, you get the smell. So, that is because of the air. So, you can smell air. Yes. Now, do these books need air? Do they need air? No, they don't need air. Do we need air? Yes, we need air. Okay. Do trees need air? Trees need air. Yes. Why they don't need? They need air. They take in carbon dioxide. They give out oxygen, and at night they take in oxygen and give out carbon. They do need air. Yes. Trees need air. Okay. Then, does air have color? Does air have color? No, air does not have color. Very good. And what happens when the smoke comes out of the factory? Is it air pollution or is it a good air? Is it bad air or good air? It is bad air. Yes, it is air pollution. Very good. Okay. So now I think you all are almost ready for the Google form. So I have posted the link of the Google form. Start solving the Google form.
मैम मेरी मम्मा है ना वॉशरूम है ना क्लीन कर रही है.
Okay. Okay. Suhan, we are solving the Google form. I have posted the link. Open the link and start solving the Google form.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have any question, you will raise your hand. Yes.
Ma'am, I am not able to play the game.
It is not the game. It is a Google form. Who is this child? First, you need to raise your hand. Okay. Yes, Nivi. This is the Google form. This is not a quiz.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm not able to do the Google form. You want my ID or something, and my mama or papa is not here, and my sister is in my class.
Okay.
Class.
So press the next button. No, press the next button. See what is coming.
It tells me to do the same thing.
Okay, fine.
Go.
No problem. I will post it in the classroom if you have not able to attend it.
Okay, I'll do it in the classroom. Right now, I have to be bored.
Okay. Yes, Jivansh.
मैम ये कौन सा गूगल फॉर्म है?
ये EVS का गूगल फॉर्म है, जनरल अवेयरनेस का.
ओके. मैम
Yes.
लिंक लिंक भेजो ना.
Okay, wait. Yes, Rudra. Okay, I have posted the link again.
आई आ गई. मैम
Yes, ma'am.
मैम पहल का तो पासवर्ड ये लगा रहे नहीं हो रहा है. p.pahel साधवानी TVS एजुकेशन.
मैम अगर अभी नहीं हो रहा है मैं क्लासरूम में पोस्ट कर दूंगी, आप तब सॉल्व कर देना.
ओके ओके मैम. ओके क्लासरूम में.
Jivansh and Pahel, stop playing with the phone. Keep it properly. Yes, Ridan.
Open the chat box, please, ma'am. I want to type my score.
Okay. Okay. I have opened the chat box. Okay. Yes, Ridan.
Ma'am, everybody finished. We can play another Google form too.
No, there is no other Google form. Everybody has not yet finished. They are yet solving it. Okay.
Everybody finished then.
Then we don't have time. Then I'm taking your speaking. Yes, Veer Mundra.
Say.
Mama, class is disconnected. I cannot see my score.
What?
Ma'am, his
Leona, what are you typing in the chat box? I will remove you from the classroom. Behave yourself. It is not funny. You've been misbehaving a lot. Yes, Veer Mundra.
Say loudly.
Mama, class is disconnected because I cannot see my score.
I could not see my score.
I could not
We could not see your score.
Yes.
So your class got disconnected.
Yes.
But you finished doing the Google form, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, Kyra.
मैम मेरे सारे करेक्ट है बस मैंने कैपिटल में लिख दिया था और यस और नो लिखना था यस और नो लिख दिया और ट्रू और फॉल्स लिखना था हमने ऊपर
T या F लिखना था बेटा.
क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ा ऊपर
Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, everyone has finished the Google form? Yes? Yes, Rajveer? Okay.
मैंने भी ट्रू फॉल्स पूरा लिखा
Okay. सिर्फ E और F ही लिखना था, नो प्रॉब्लम. यस जानवी.
मैंने भी ऐसा.
ओके, वेरी गुड. यस देव. Okay. So children whose speaking is left will stay back and others can leave the class. Whose speaking is left will stay back and others will leave the class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Yes,
Ma'am,
Sahel.
you share the link.
Okay, I will share the link. After the class, I will share it, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Suhan.
I'm go to washroom.
आपका हो गया है ना स्पीकिंग स्किल? तो you can leave the class. नहीं हुआ है आपका? Okay, okay, go to washroom and come back.
Yeah.
Okay, Ridan, are you prepared? Nivi, do you want to do this again? Speaking?
No.
Then you can leave the class. Yes, Riyansh, are you ready? Can we start? Okay. Riyansh, I'm waiting. Turn on your microphone and start speaking. What are you doing? Riyansh, I'm talking to you. Turn on the microphone and start speaking. What are you doing? Have you prepared your speaking, Hindi speaking? Riyansh, I'm talking to you. Yes. Can you hear me or no? Then start speaking. I've been waiting.
Sorry, ma'am. मुझे लगता है आप किसी और से बात कर रहे हो.
तो रियांश कितने हैं क्लास में? एक ही है रियांश.
मेरा नाम है रियांश. मैं पहली कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ. स्कूल का नाम है काफी वेली.
हो गया है तो कैन ही लीव क्लास.
मैम ही सेड ही इज नॉट डन.
सुहान ने सबमिट कर दिया है मैम, आप एक बार चेक कर लो वापस.
नहीं वो नहीं, उसका स्पीकिंग स्किल बाकी है ना मैम.
अच्छा ओके, वो वॉशरूम गया है, 2 मिनट में आ रहा है.
यस यस.
वॉशरूम गया है वो.
मैं पहली कक्षा पढ़ता हूँ. मेरा स्कूल का नाम है काफी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल. मेरे परिवार रोड है. मैं मेरे पिता दादा दादी हम सब बहुत अच्छे से रहते हैं. मेरे पिताजी है और मेरी माँ नहीं है. मैं के साथ में जाता हूँ. मेरी दादी रोज पनीर बनाती है. मैं दूसरे हम सब बाहर जाते हैं. हम सब एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं. धन्यवाद.
ओके गुड. यस सुहान, यू आर रेडी?
यस मैम.
स्टार्ट.
मेरा नाम है स्वर्ण टुमुसिया और मैं आपको आज मेरे फैमिली के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ. और आज मैं आपको मेरे मेरे पिताजी का नाम धर्मेश डुमरसिया है। मेरे पिताजी डांस कोरियोग्राफर है, एक शिक्षक है। मेरी माता जी का नाम पूजा डुमरसिया है और मेरी माता जी सर्विस करती है। मेरे चाचू चाची और मेरे 2 भाई भी है और मेरे दादी भी है। थैंक यू।
Okay. Veer Mundra, you ready?
यस मैम।
Okay, start.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है वीर मुंद्रा। मैं पहली कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरा विषय है मेरा परिवार। मेरे परिवार 12 सदस्य लोग का संयुक्त परिवार है। उसके अंदर मेरे माता पिता और दादा दादी, बड़ी माँ, बड़े पापा और मेरे चाचा चाची और मेरे भाई बहन रहते हैं। हम लोग मिलजुल कर प्यार से रहते हैं। हम लोग मेरे घर के मुखिया है मेरे दादाजी। मेरे पापा, मेरे बड़े पापा वो साड़ियों का काम करते हैं और मेरे चाचा कपड़ों का काम करते हैं। मेरी मम्मी, मेरी बड़ी मम्मी और मेरी चाची घर की गृहिणी है। हम लोग खाना साथ में खाते हैं।
Look at ma'am and say, सभी त्योहार
हम लोग मिलजुल कर बनाते हैं। हम लोग
उधर देखो।
हम लोग प्यार से मिलजुल कर रहते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Okay, good. Okay, Vihan, are you ready?
यस मैम।
Okay, can we start?
यस, मेरा नाम विनीता है। मैं कक्षा 8 में पढ़ता हूँ। परिवार कितना खास है। परिवार का अर्थ यह है कि सारे व्यक्ति एक दूसरे के साथ सम्मान पूर्वक और मिलजुलते रहे। मेरे परिवार में 5 सदस्य हैं। मैं, मेरे दादाजी, माताजी, पिताजी और मेरा छोटा भाई। मेरे दादाजी सेवानिवृत्त है। वह मुझे अच्छी बातें सिखाते हैं। मेरे पिताजी व्यवसाय है। वह हम सभी की जरूरियातों ध्यान रखते हैं। मेरी माताजी एक आदर्श गृहिणी है। वह मुझे में मदद करती है। मेरा भाई तो मैं खिलाता हूँ। मैं उसके साथ खेलता हूँ। मेरे परिवार में शिष्टाचार और अनुशासनता धन्यवाद।
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, children, your reading class is over. You can leave the class.